Hey guys, and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from Gocrypto. But before I will start, I want to tell you that if you are using a Gocrypto simulator, which is on Google Play, and if you have got this simulator tool, you can't withdraw money, guys, because this is not a real money and you can make a transaction. But if you have got a business account, I will show you how to withdraw your crypto from Gocrypto, guys. So where can I see my Gocrypto balance? You need to go to the crypto balance on the main menu on the left side of the screen. Here you can see the amounts of all individual cryptocurrencies received and access the possibility to withdraw them to an external address, guys. So now the important question, how to withdraw crypto from Gocrypto to any external crypto wallet. So as I mentioned, we need to go to the crypto balance on the main menu on the left side. Then we need to press withdraw button on the right side of the currency that you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount and provide the external crypto wallet address you wish to transfer it to. The withdrawal must be confirmed through the link sent to your email. And there is important thing, please make sure that the wallet you're sending the balance to supports the particular currency. For example, BTC must be sent to BTC address. So this is the instruction how to withdraw money from Gocrypto. And now the important question, how often can I withdraw payouts in crypto? And the answer is payouts in crypto can be withdrawn at any time. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.